The sale of 18 among 43 Gabonese oil blocks located in deep and ultra-deep offshore, supposed to boost oil production in Gabon, officially began yesterday in Libreville. Well, joining us from Libreville is Etienne Ngobo, who's the Minister of Oil and Hydro Resources. Minister, thank you so much for making the time to join us today. Just looking at some of the press releases that have come out, you were looking at tenders and the meetings for it was clearly a very significant one. Tell us what important facts or outcomes came out from this meeting?
Absolutely, I was very pleased to finalize yesterday our tender procedure concerning the deep and ultra-deep offshore of the Gabonese domain. And he was very surprised to see how the emerging company was able to challenge the major company in this sector. We got over 20 companies in competition, and today we just issued the first technical evaluation of this tender. You are very impressed, and we can say today that our domain is very interesting for this company, with a very nice future based on the result of Diamond 1 in the Diaba field. We got some drilling well a few weeks ago done by Cobalt and Total, and we found some hydrocarbon in this permit, and that can be the opportunity for our country to get more oil in the coming years.
Now, Minister, when it comes to the technical skills, one would think that's a very important area that you would be looking at. How confident are you that the tenders will be able to deliver on that, given the skills shortage that we do have on the continent?
You can know that in the last year we got a lot of discovery in Gulf of Mexico based on a new topic for the exploration. And based on that, we have very important indices in the Gabon area. And we can make some comparison for the both area, and you can see some similarity of both. And we expect to have some oil. The first well we drill in this area confirm our hypothesis, and we can have good result in the next future.
I want to touch again on that skills base, because we've been seeing a situation with Tullow Oil that is currently operating in Kenya, where we have had expatriates that have come in and offered their skills, but we have had locals not being particularly happy with that arrangement and seeing it as jobs that have been being taken away from them. Or would you possibly be faced with a similar situation once the oil comes online?
Sorry, I cannot hear you. Can you repeat, please?
Not a problem, Minister. I was just making some reference with regards to what we're seeing in Kenya. So we have Tullow Oil there that has some expatriates that are coming in, but we have the locals not being necessarily too happy because they may feel that they may have their jobs being lost out to the foreigners. Is that a situation that could possibly play out here?
No, not really, because we have some emphasis on local content and to see how the local population can be well treated after this discovery. And part of this contract is to look carefully at the social income for the local population.
Now, you've said that in the next 7 years you are expecting to see exploration about more than double. So the target you're looking at now is about 500,000 barrels a day instead of the 240. Why are we seeing such high expectations?
We already put in place a new program to improve our actual production. And we expect to have the same quantity of oil produced by the deep and ultra-deep offshore area, because we got a very nice imaging. We got this image from the 3-day seismic done by the company, and we have a very interesting opportunity there and to deposit there.
Now,
that should be checked by the drilling activities.
Now, Minister, when this oil does come on stream, what sort of economic benefits do you think it will have? Will it be trickling down to grassroots levels where all citizens of Gabon will be able to reap the benefits?
Yes, you know that the target of this campaign is to improve oil production, to improve the income for our economy, and to be able to build our infrastructure program was designed and put in place by the head of state. and we are looking for the opportunity to have better income from the oil contract to be able to finance this development.